Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the super delicious yummy chicken changezi. This is exactly the authentic restaurant style curry that you would make it at your own kitchen. This is super easy to make, super delicious to make. To start off, here I have 1 kilo of chicken. I'm using a chicken breast, boneless, but if you want to use with the bone in, any kind of chicken pieces, you can definitely go ahead and do that. You can even add bigger size of a chicken piece. To this I've added 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt as needed, and to this I'm also adding 1 tablespoon garlic paste or grated garlic, or 1 tablespoon ginger paste or grated ginger, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. And now I'm going to mix this chicken and all the spices well together and set it aside to marinate while we prepare the other stuff. Here I have a large pan. To this I've added 1/4 cup of oil, 3 green cardamom and 3 cloves. And to that I'm adding 2 large onions and saute this until the onions are nice and translucent. You don't have to brown them. And to this now I'm going to add 20 cashew nuts. It's a whole cashew nut, so I'm using 20. And here I have 1 red chili. You can use green chili if you prefer. Salt as needed. Chilies you can go up to 4, that's okay. Here I have 3 large tomatoes. If your tomatoes are smaller, then add 4 tomatoes, medium sized tomatoes. Go ahead and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. And now I'm going to cook them by covering it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. I'm cooking this on medium heat. Now as you see, the tomatoes are nicely cooked and the oil has separated from the onion and the tomato. At this point I'm going to let it cool down completely and make a smooth paste and set it aside. Here I have a deep bowl. This is where we are going to make the curry. To this I've added oil, 1/4 cup, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, and 2-3 cardamom pods. To this I've added, once they splutter and nice aroma comes out, then I've added the chicken. And to this I've also added orange food color. This is totally optional, but if you want this nice color like a restaurant style, then you can go ahead and add the color. Now once the chicken is nicely cooked on medium high heat and you see the nice color change of the chicken, I'm going to remove just the chicken and set it aside. To the same oil I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste each and saute this until the raw aroma leaves. To this I've added 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder for the color. Here I have 100 gram yogurt and 100 milliliter milk. I've added them and go ahead and cook them on a low heat and combine them until it's all well incorporated. You don't want to cook them on a high heat because the yogurt will curdle. Now as you see, the oil is coming out. Once you see the oil is coming out on a low heat, then we are going to add the onion and tomato paste that we prepared earlier. Go ahead and mix them and cook them on a medium low heat until, and also I've added a little salt for taste, and I'm going to cook until the oil separates from the sides. Now I've closed it. I'm going to cook for 20 minutes on a slow heat. Now you can see the oil has separated. Now I'm going to give it a quick mix, and to this I've added 1 teaspoon chaat masala and 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed or kasuri methi crushed. Go ahead and mix them and cook them for another 3 minutes. To this I've added the cooked chicken that we prepared earlier. We're going to add the chicken and all the juices into it. Cook for another 20-25 minutes, and once you see all oil is out on the sides, then now it's time to add the flavor by adding the hot charcoal and half a teaspoon of ghee or oil, and cover it for at least 30 to 40 seconds to get all the flavor infused in the curry. Now once that is done, you can remove the charcoal and take the charcoal out and add some cilantro. And here I also adding 3 tablespoons of cream to garnish, chili to garnish, and that is it. It's ready to be served. It's super delicious. It might take little time to prepare and it has a couple of steps, but it's well worth the time because this curry is to die for. Super delicious, goes great with flatbread, rice, roti, naan, anything. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, leave the comment below, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys, bye.